Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. While we were on Christmas break, the worker elves at our favorite train makers have been very busy, so let's get started. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains will be producing a limited edition uncatalogued Vision Line 464 Hudson steam locomotive decorated in honor of Old Blood and Guts General George S. Patton. This Lionel steamer is produced exclusively for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025 with an early order price of $1749.99. Menards has released its popular twin packs of ore cars in 4 new color schemes: BNSF Orange, Sioux Line, Reading, and Chessie System Blue. The 2-pack of cars retails for $34.99 before rebates, and 8 packs of the cars are available for $119.96 before rebates. Menards has also released its 1/48 scale 1951 Ford pickup trucks in 4 new color schemes: solid gray, solid brown, red with white accents, and white with red accents. The trucks retail for $4.99 each before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Rail King O-Gauge Galloping Goose in 2 Rio Grande Southern schemes, plus Maryland and Pennsylvania, Railway Express Agency, Denver and Rio Grande Western, and Western Maryland versions next spring. Each item will be limited in production, and models are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in May 2025. The suggested retail price is $329.95. MTH will also be producing an exclusive and limited run Galloping Goose in U.S. Army colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. No official artwork is yet available, but the model is inspired by this photo of a similar U.S. Army concept. The model is expected to arrive in May 2025 with an early order price of $289.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-scale flat car with 2 pup trailers in Detroit and Mackinac colors. Available in limited quantities, the cars will be available in 2 car numbers and are exclusively offered by the Northern Michigan Railroad Club. They are expected to arrive in February 2025. The pre-order price is $95 per car. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 60-foot streamlined passenger set in Atlantic Coastline colors for the train loft. The cars will be available in a 4-car set with baggage car, coach, dome car, and observation car, and a 2-car set with a sleeping car and diner, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price for the 4-car set is $349.95, and for the 2-car set, $179.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 60-foot streamlined passenger car set in distinctive Cuyahoga Valley scenic colors for Stockyard Express. The cars will be available in a 4-car set of 3 coaches and a baggage car, and also a 2-car Vista Dome set. All cars will be produced in extremely limited quantities and are expected to arrive beginning in April 2025. The early order price of the 4-car set is $319.95, and for the 2-car set is $157.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 60-foot Madison heavyweight passenger car set decorated for Rock Island exclusively for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will be sold as a 7-car set packaged as a single-car coach, 2-car combine and diner set, and 4-car baggage, observation, and 2-coach set. The cars will be produced in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The early order price for the 7-car set is $589.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge boxcar in General Electric Aerospace colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in February 2025. The early order price is $58.95. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 50-foot modern boxcar in Atlantic Coastline colors for the train loft. The cars will be available in 2 car numbers and are slated to arrive in April 2025. The early order price is $69.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced the production of a pair of limited-issue Rail King quad hoppers decorated for Jack Daniels, exclusively for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The cars are priced at $89.99 each, or both for $169.99, with expected delivery in June 2025. Those of you who may be offended by the concept of mixing trains and politics may wish to end the video now. For everyone else, MTH Electric Trains has announced 2 sets of commemorative flat cars with loads in honor of our 47th president. These cars are available on Rail King flat cars for $79.95 each, or $219.95 for a 3-car set, or on Premier Line flat cars for $84.95 each, or $219.95 for the 3-car set. First is the Trump Garbage Truck flat car. The 1/50th scale truck features lights, a seated Trump figure, and a sound clip from a Trump speech. Next is the flat car with Trump Fight, Fight, Fight box truck. Finally is a flat car with Trump oil tanker truck. All cars are expected to arrive at authorized MTH retailers in June 2025. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O-Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.